Hello everyone. Today we are going to change the oil of Tata Safari Storm. We are going to need some spanners, oil filter, 7 liter oil filter puller and 4 liter diesel to flush out the old oil. We have to remove the engine guard. There will be 3 screws here, here and there. And also there will be 2 screws at the back. So friends, you can see how thick the oil has become. That is why we need to flush the system with diesel. Now fix the drain plug again and fill the engine with at least 4 liters of diesel and keep the engine running for 5 minutes so the diesel cuts or the carbon in the system. Now that we have flushed the old oil, now we can pour in the 4 liters of diesel that we are going to pour. With the help of a hopper, pour it neatly so it doesn't fall on the sides of the engine. Now just remove the hopper, put the cap back on and then start the engine. Keep it running for 5 minutes as I instructed before. Now we are going to flush out the diesel that we had just poured when running the engine. Be careful while handling the hot diesel. It will be very hot. So be careful with your hands. And also it has cut a lot of carbon. Now we are just going to show you how much of carbon it was containing. We are just going to pour it in a can. Now we are removing the oil filter. We have just removed it and there is all the oil. Now we are going to apply some oil on the o-ring so it does not slip and break off. Friends, now let's fill up the new oil. It is Gulf Max TD 15W40 API-CI 4 SL. Let's start the car.